Mmm, coffee guy here trying to do every IU song ever made, up to Sea of Moonlight. Might be with some group or something, 5 star. Not sure. Anyways, here we go. Quick notes. Pretty upbeat song. Reminds me of that song by Aha years ago. Some of it. Secondly, she has the disco helmet from Ratatata. What's up with that? I know this is before it. Maybe they copied from her. Just saying. Very interesting. Very magical. It's a what if? What if she were in a girl band? What would it be like? Now we know. Uh, Very upbeat song. It was pretty cool. Like I say, had the disco helmet, had the aha sound. Do, 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 do. Anyways, very cool. Something different. I enjoyed it.